Hey YouTube, this is Trains and Destinations, and today I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of a wireless charging pad. So this is called the TechUp wireless charging pad, and it claims that yes, it's a wireless charger, has a compact design, and it is a quick charger. Now I don't know how fast this charges at, doesn't say. Now this is a Family Dollar exclusive product. I paid $7 for this. It was on sale for $7. Normally it costs $10. So this is one of the cheapest wireless chargers you can get. Now obviously this probably won't be able to charge really anything that fast, but you know, if you want a wireless charger and want it nice and cheap, well, this is one way you can go about it. So let's go ahead and open up the box, and then you just slide it out here, and let's see what's inside. And that's not much here. So anyway, this is your TechUp safety and warranty information. And then you get yourself a micro USB cable. Unfortunately, though, they do not give you a power brick. So there's no power brick included. You have to provide that on your own. But you have a cable. Obviously, the thicker USB goes into your power brick. And then you have a micro USB cable, which I assume goes into the charger itself. And then this is the charger. Looks like there's a little cover on it. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Yeah. Oh, actually, no, it's not covered. There's some film on it. Let's see if I can get that film off. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so this is your little coil here where the electricity goes through, and I guess this plastic thing is supposed to be on there. I mean, it's very simple. Well, it says here that the input and output is 5 volts. I mean, that's not exactly, I don't know why they call it fast charging, because 5 volts is not fast charging. That's rather pretty slow charging, but it's a $10 wireless charger that I actually got for $7. So, you know, you can't complain. But I guess real quick we can set it up. So I'll put the camera down here for a second. I'll lay it here, put the camera on the box. And let's unpack our little cable here. Let's see how big it is. Okay, this is a very small cable. That's not going to work for me. I have to get another cable, because this cable is laughably small. And especially if your outlet is very close to the floor, that's not going to make it to your desk. Like, that's not going to make it to your desk. So luckily, though, I do have a spare charging cable. Which is right here. This is a Samsung charging cable that I happen to have lying around. So we're going to set up this wireless charger with this cable. But yeah, this cable's a joke. Like, this is honestly, it's only like a foot long or so. I mean, that's not going to work. Not unless your power outlet is very close to your desk or your bed or whatever. So yeah, that's not going to work. So anyway, we've got our Samsung charger here. So we're going to go ahead and find our outlet. So just plug it in there. Sorry, my desk is a little cluttered right now. And then we got I do like the size though. This thing is very small, as you can see. So it can fit pretty comfortably onto a desk. And then let's go ahead and hook up. Again, this uses micro USB. I mean, obviously USB Type-C would be better, but whatever. But it does plug in pretty easily. There you go. And so now all we have to do now is find a phone. So that's over here. So the phone I'm going to use is this. This is an LG G7 I just got. So let's go ahead and see if it works. Yeah, it works. The charging light is on the phone, so it does work. Yeah, it works. Let's just unlock the phone real quick. Yeah, there we go. So it says right here on the phone, charging wirelessly 1 hour 44 minutes estimated until full. So this phone's about 50% battery life. So yeah, this is definitely not a quick charge if it says it's going to take an hour and 44 minutes. But I mean, look, the point is though, is that, hey, this is a wireless charger. This wireless charger costs under 10 bucks, and it does get the job done. So if you want a wireless charger, I mean, this will work. It'll work. And you could probably run it off a power bank too. So anyway, thank you for watching the unboxing of this $10 wireless charger.